Bees produce honey, which is a sticky brown liquid that is highly flavored. Honeybees gather nectar from flower and supplement it with enzyme. After that, they put into a wax cell to let the honey mature. The sucrose in the nectar is changed by the enzyme into fructose and glucose. A single spoonful of honey can provide many kinds of health benefits. Since ancient times, honey has been used for various nutritious properties. Additionally, it has been shown to be helpful in the management of certain clinical problems. Carbohydrates such as fructose and glucose make up the majority of nutrients in honey. Additionally, it has trace levels of essential minerals, proteins, vitamins, and enzymes. The precise nutritional makeup of honey varies according to the kind of flower that produces honey, time of season, the machine that was used, the environment at the time of harvest. If you consume honey on a daily basis, your body will experience these 12 benefits. Number 1. Assist in losing extra weight. It's common knowledge that eliminating sugar from your diet will help you lose weight. But did you also know that cutting honey out of your diet is acceptable? Because honey has higher fructose content than glucose, it can help you lose weight by increasing your metabolism. Number 2. Control of diabetes. Honey can help treat and manage diabetes mellitus. Antioxidants included in it are important for managing diabetes mellitus. People with diabetes may see a reduction in blood sugar with the use of honey. Most individuals, include those with hyperlipidemia, take advantage of honey ability to lower blood lipid and reactive protein levels. Honey may also help prevent heart disease. According to the review, honey help lower blood pressure, improve your blood fat levels, regulate your heartbeat, and prevent the death of healthy cells. All factors that can improve your heart function and health. Number 4. Managing congestion and cold. Honey has been used by doctors to treat asthma, fever, and cough. Common cough, fever, asthma symptoms can be prevented or reduced with the help of honey. Studies have demonstrated that treating asthma with honey reduces airway inflammation and effectively control the conditions. The treatment of chronic bronchitis can also be benefit from honey qualities. Number 5. Your skin will start to clear up. If you want healthy skin, honey is a great substance to consume because it has a great source of antioxidants. Honey will help you clear your body of harmful toxins. Honey also contains antibacterial properties that will keep your skin clear. Number 6. Healing of injuries. The oldest known human wound therapy and healing substance is honey. It starts the process of repairing tissue by triggering an immune response that fights infection and red blood cells, which help in the battle against illness and infection. Both surface and partial burns as well as moderate and acute wounds react well to honey treatment. Number 7. Improving performance. You receive 17 grams of carbohydrate for every teaspoon of honey you eat. This indicates that using honey in place of energy booster during exercise can be beneficial. Research conducted on athletes revealed that consuming little amount of honey while exercising improves performance. Number 8. Healthy development in kids. Honey has been shown to enhance memory and growth in infants. Additionally, it lowers anxiety and improves a child performance in their teenage years. Giving newborns honey instead of sterile water reduces their crying phase more effectively. Children are also better at digesting honey. Children with honey have been shown to gain weight more gradually, have lighter, thinner stool, have no digestion problem, consume more calcium, and have better skin color. For kids, honey is a great substitute for sweets. Number 9. Improving the absorption and digestion of food. Honey enzymes improve nutrient absorption and digestion, particularly for carbohydrate. Pre-digested simple sugar can be found in honey. It does not need to digest like refined sugar does because it can absorb straight into the bloodstream. Because of this, honey is more efficient and rapid energy source. Honey contains lots of prebiotics. Prebiotics support the health of good bacteria in the gastrointestinal tract. Eating food high in this microorganisms such as honey will boost their numbers and maintain gut health. Number 10. Eye disease treatment. Indian lotus and Ethiopian honey will utilized by Asian people to heal and cure eye conditions. Residents in India continue to utilize it to treat eye condition caused on by measles infection. Complications from illness include retinal discoloration. Number 11. Calm your nervous system. Glucose is necessary for the body neuron to function correctly. Since honey glucose enters the system so readily, it may promote relaxation and reduce some psychiatric problems. Number 12. Promote quality sleep. The sugar content in honey increases the level of insulin in the blood, which then releases serotonin. Serotonin is further transformed into melatonin, a hormone that promotes quality sleep. Because honey includes healthy chemicals including beeswax and antioxidant, it may have various health benefits. Although it is still function in your body like sugar, it is a fantastic substitute for sugar if you take it in moderation. If you consume a diet high in nutrient and minimize your other added sweets, taking 1 spoonful of honey really can be beneficial for you. You can ask a doctor for advice on whether or not consuming honey is good for you. Thank you so much for watching.